Hi guys! In this new video of Notice Academy, I'm gonna show you how to use more complex tools to edit your pages. So this is my blog. I'm gonna go in my new page. I've already shown you how to use basic blocks like text or hints. Let's see what more complex blocks there is to use. I'm typing / for the list. These are the basic ones. I'm intrigued by these little robots. So you can use text generation, image generation. Let's go for image. I'm gonna go for a duck because I love ducks. There's a bunch of different styles, but I'm gonna go for default. Wait a few seconds. Time for a sip of coffee. Gorgeous duck. All right, so this is turning into an article about ducks. I need to add some more text, some more content. So I'm gonna go for text, so I can just write something, but I'm not very inspired. So I'm gonna go for text generation. I don't know, a pamphlet about ducks. Perfect. Let's wait a few seconds. There you go, great article about the fascinating world of ducks. I want to add something, but let's say my English is not too good. So I'm just going to type something as good as I can. Not too sure this is correct. I'm going to highlight it and I'm again intrigued by this little robot. So I'm clicking there. I can't make it shorter, don't want to be fun. So I'm just going to fix the grammar. And there you go, perfectly good. Perfectly correct sentence. You can of course use any of these options. Let me show you how to embed stuff as well. It could be interesting. So you have different options. So far only 4, but we're currently adding new ones. Let's start with something classic, the YouTube video. So I'm just gonna paste my link. There you go, beautiful video that I've made as well. You can also add, let's say for example, some HTML. So I'm going to go into list, go for HTML, and this displays the code section. So I'm no developer, I don't know too much, I'm not going to explain in details, but this is basically a code template. You can alter it however you want, you can edit it, or you can just remove it and replace it by something different. I'm just going to edit a bit. So this is to create a button. I'm just going to add some padding there, and I'm going to change what the button does. All right, let's stay in the theme, adding a tag right here. Okay, let's see how my beautiful page looks now. I'm publishing it, waiting a few seconds. Okay, new page, beautiful duck, beautiful article, and a button. And my duck is right here. But I've seen when I was on the home page that the logo is not matching my duck article. So I'm gonna go in the editor and here change the image cover. The last pictures you've used, you can just pick them here and change them very simply. There you go. In the next video, I'll talk about the community of Notice users and the support. See you soon.